Hi, I'm Gordon Black, Education Director for the Cahaba River Society. This time of year, we'd be doing field trips here on the river pretty much 7 days a week with students 3rd grade through college. We'd be helping those students discover the extraordinary biodiversity that informs us about water quality and habitat health. This is important to us all because this is one of the major sources of drinking water for the Birmingham area. The students also discover great natural beauty and how to have fun with the various recreational opportunities here at the river. We can't get together right now for these hands-on activities. So we're going to bring these field trips to you virtually. Each week, we'll survey the fish and the macroinvertebrates that we find here. These indicator species let us know just how healthy the river is. We'll also do water chemistry testing to help students learn more about their drinking water. You'll be able to find video of these virtual field trips at our resource library at cahabariversociety.org. And if you have questions or requests for perhaps a special place on the river that you'd like to see us survey, you can reach us at CLEAN, C-L-E-A-N, at cahabariversociety.org. I hope you'll join us.